Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add a chart or a graph to Google Sheets. To do this, first you will need to select the cells that you want to have in your chart. So for example, I'm having A3 and A4. Then we can navigate to Insert, select Chart, then pick your preferred chart type. In this case, we're gonna go with the pie. Now we can see data range, click on data range right here, and then enter all of the cells that you want. So here we have A1, A4. We can go from actually A3, then at the double point and click on OK. And that way we'll be able to create different charts or graphs. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.